So in today's video, I want to show you how to play the riff that I call the Blues Rock 1B riff. And I'm going to play it for you slowly here without a backing track or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it down and I'm going to show you how to play it here. So let's take a closer look. So we're going to open the first beat with a double slide of the B and the E string to 5-5. I like to start from the 3rd fret, but you could really start from any of them, sliding up to that 5-5. And we're going to continue hitting that for and, to, and, So again, we're going to continue to hit it for and, to, and, So that's 1 and, 2 and, I like to use my index finger. You could use your ring finger, but I like to use my index. And then we're going to slide back for 5-3-5. So let's take a closer look at that one. That's going to be our 3 and, using our ring to index to ring fingers. So that's 3 and, ring, index, ring. If I do the first 3 beats, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, Then the 4th beat of the first measure, 4 and, we're going to go 3-5-3, E string to B string, B string, using our index, ring, index. So that's 3-5-3. Index, ring, index. Now do the entire first measure. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, Then to start off the second measure, it's going to get a little more exciting with the grace note slide of the 5th fret up to the 12 to start off the first beat. And we're going to use our ring finger for that. So that's 1. Remember, it's a grace note, so that has to be quick for that 1. Then to finish off that first beat, the and, we're going to go 10-12, E string to B string with our index and ring finger. That's and, or index, ring, 10-12, E string, B string. Doing that first beat for the second measure, it's 1 and, Continuing the second measure for 2 and, we're going to go 12 on the E string, 12 on the B string, to 10 on the E string, and we're going to roll our ring finger for those 12s. Finishing the first beat, our ring finger is on the 12 of the B string. So we're going to do 2 and with a roll, 2 and of our ring finger. So we're going to roll down to get the 12 of the E string, roll back up for the 12 of the B string, and then we finish with the 10 on the E string. So that's 2 and So if I do the first 2 beats together, it's 1 and 2 and Then we're going to wrap up this 3 and 4 with 12, 11, 10, 9. Our ring finger is still at the 12 on the B string, so we can go 12, 11, 10 with our ring, middle, index, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to skip our index finger over to the 9 of the G string for a vibrato. So that's 3 and 4. If I play the entirety of the second measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So now I'm going to play the whole riff slowly, counting the rhythm as I go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I hope you had a good time learning the riff. If you want to learn some more blues, I recommend checking out the Blues Rock 1A riff so you can learn a little bit more to have some fun with. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to learn more guitar, please subscribe. Love to have you. Let's just have fun and happy practicing.